Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Miro for beginners. So let's dive in. First of all, sign up for a Miro account at miro.com or log in if you already have one. After logging in, click on New Board to create your first workspace. This is your digital whiteboard where all the magic happens. Take a look at the toolbar on the left. You can add sticky notes, shapes, text, and even draw directly on your board. It's perfect for brainstorming or organizing ideas. Drag and drop ideas onto your board. Type in your ideas and resize or move them around. Everything is customizable to suit your workflow. Invite teammates to your board by clicking to share button. Miro allows real-time collaboration so you can brainstorm together no matter where you are. When you are done, save your board or share it with others. Miro lets you export your board as a PDF, image, or link. And that's it. With Miro, you can turn your ideas into actionable plans, start exploring, and make teamwork fun and easy.